Well, hello. I just realized I don't have my headphones in. Let me fix that real quick and turn this volume down. Alright. If you're wondering if I can hear you, I can't. I don't have headphones in. So whatever you've been saying this whole time. Oh, that's right. I could never hear what you say. Hey! Happy Tuesday, Wednesday. How's it going, everybody? It is I, Scott V. Adrian, your local WordPress programmer who decided to torture himself building a game engine in a platform that was not built for it. Alright. Let's cut to the chase, huh? It is me. I'm building a WordPress game. Let me... I feel like I made that text in the shorts feed video good enough. Let's see, I'm waiting for it. I don't know why the shorts feed is the latencies. Oh shoot, it paused. I was gonna say the latency on this is really bad. Okay. Yeah, the text is all cut off. Let's make it smaller. I don't know why it got cut off, but it did. Although I am looking at it on my phone. My phone tends to cut the sides off of... I don't know. It's not... It's definitely not straight, but... I guess if it's happening on my phone, it could happen on anybody's phone. So... And those of you watching on Twitch or on the full-size YouTube, you have no idea what I'm talking about. Because I am trimulcasting. That's 3. Streaming on YouTube, YouTube Shorts live feed, and on Twitch. All at the same time. And yeah. Anybody who was wondering what this giveaway deadline is, which again isn't for you YouTube Shorts live feed people, this is just for the full-size YouTube or for Twitch. I have a countdown: 1 day, 20 hours, 38 minutes, and 52 seconds. That says the amount of time you have left to enter the 100 subscribers giveaway. Get free books, free merch, for doing nothing except for signing up for a newsletter or following me on Twitch. So, if you haven't done that yet, and I know for a fact many of you have not, don't tell me how I know. I might have access to the lists, but it's going to be a pretty bare giveaway, so I'm going to be saving a lot of money if none of you sign up. But yeah, if you want a couple books, here, let's show you what you get. You get, ooh, here it is, the giveaway. You get Miropelia paperback, and you get Orbem paperback. I guess I should just go to Amazon. And you get Orbem paperback for free, shipped right to your door. You get to start your Orbem journey reading both the paperback of Orbem and book 2, Miropelia, back to back right here. You get both of them. Not only that, but you'll get to choose any merch of your liking from my Amazon merch items. which is plentiful. There's plenty to choose from, and they're all really good quality, by the way. I'm constantly wearing my hoodie, my zip-up hoodie, and my shirts. I haven't gotten any long sleeves. My wife has some. And other people. Tank top looks... I don't wear tank tops, but it looks nice. I really want to get this red one. I love this red. I got this in blue. Not this design, but I got the blue hoodie. And small is just too small. Definitely want to go medium next time. But yeah, you know, it's a cool design. How do I... Why isn't it zooming? It's just zooming. Huh. Anyways, yeah. So, if you want some free stuff, come and get it. Sign up here. orbemortar.com/register, which I have to be logged out to do. There you go. Sign up here. You have 1 day, 20 hours, 36 minutes. Look at that. Almost exact timing. And you'll get books and you'll get all this merch. Well, not all of it. You get one of them, but your choice. So if you like free stuff, even if you don't care about what it is, you just have the rush of needing free stuff, go here. That or go to Twitch and go to my channel right here. And hey, look at that guy. Go there, right here. Sign up. Follow me on Twitch. And you get entered in as well. Okay, oh, look at this. So I've submitted my game Orbem Explore to Twitch. The game submission, so it could be a category on Twitch. Because right now I can do the gaming, you know, I can't choose my game as a category, as if like, you know, you're playing a video game, you can choose the game. I'm hoping I had to get a business too, so Orbem Mortar needs to get approved before Orbem Explore can get approved. So yeah, I submitted all the stuff, and unfortunately it's going to be about the current game that's live, but I did mark it as beta, so the alpha is what I'm building right now. So hopefully that works out. All right. And there was one more thing I wanted to talk about. I've been getting all these ads, and I know you're all getting the same ads if you're watching on YouTube Shorts. All, you know, and they've been out for a while, but mobile games. And you know how they come out with these ads that are completely fake? They're not even the real game or whatever. And they're like a very small aspect of the game maybe, but they have nothing to do with it. They're completely fabricated games. And now they're having like real people pretend to play them and be like, this is totally real. I went down a major rabbit hole on this, and I just kind of looked, I'm like, why the hell? First of all, why would they do this and not just make the game, right? Like, why don't you just make the game like that? Because a lot of people would play that game. Secondly, how do they get away with lying blatantly, like false advertisement to, you know, millions of people a day with their fake ads? And no one's complained and no one's sued. You know what I mean? Like, how's that even possible? So, I came up with some answers in my research, my online research. And first off, to explain the reason why they legally can do this, why they can make completely false advertisement, and when people go and download the game and whatever, blah, 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 play it, and they're like, oh, what the hell? This isn't the game that the ad showed. It's because they're free. So, in order to claim false advertisement, you need to have a monetary value that someone is losing. Which is bullshit. because I consider my time a monetary, value. But so yeah, since there's no money involved, you could sue them legally. You can sue them all day long. You could say this is false advertisement. I'm suing you. But unless you could come up with a monetary value that they're costing you, like it caused you to ram your car into a wall because you were so angry that it was the wrong game. I don't know. And have them pay for your car damages. You could do that. But nobody does, obviously. It takes a lot of time to sue a company, especially the companies that are doing these shitty little games or whatever, even giant mobile companies that are blatantly lying to people. It's not worth it, basically. So that's why they legally can do it. And secondly, why don't they just make the game the way the ads are? I mean, the going theory is basically they don't want to spend the time to do it. The games are often really simple and repetitive games that they're actually offering, and they're really easy to just churn out and maintain. Whereas the games that they're showing in the ads are a lot more complex. Visually, they're really well made, and the gameplay is interesting, right? It's not just a simple like an auto click kill somebody. Okay, upgrade your person. Okay, 1 + 1 = 2. It's not those simple games that you can just knock out. So that's why those stupid mobile game ads are able to lie to you in your face legally, and that's why they do it. Because if they can get 1% of the people that view that ad to not only download but continue to play it and get microtransactions and ads and stuff like that, it's worth it. Because the ads are cheap. Once they make it, they can just pump it out there. And as long as the percentages work, impressions, conversion rate wise, then, why not? So yeah, I found that interesting. It still bugs me. And what bugs me more are the people that are getting paid to pretend to play the game like, oh, look, this is totally real. Oh, here goes this. They're like clearly just watching the ad and then explaining it while they're holding a phone. It's, yeah. Totally real game. Hey, I did it. Okay. So I pushed the code up yesterday for what we fixed. All the little fixes, all the little things. There is one more piece that I wanted to do, which was... What was it? I don't know what it was. Well, let's see. We're going to restart this game. This is the back to the staging site. New game. Okay. We're back to the stage side. Okay, so we need to build some things. First off, let's fix these signs because I changed the custom field to radio now for signs. So I believe it's what, Carol and my office. Yeah. So this needs to be breakable. Womp. Which I fixed that as well. And then hurry up. And then I need to do my office sign as well. Oh, come on, dude. This stage site is kind of slow. I guess I don't expect the stage side to be fast, but I mean, it does make things kind of annoying. Let's do the Graham's office. And then I think, no, the other one's good. Let's just make sure that's in the right position now. Continue. Yeah, there we go. So now it's right nice on the wall. Alright, so I can read her sign. Oh yeah. Why can't I read you? That's weird. Alright, 1 second. Alright, I'll be right back. My bad. Doop, 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 doop. Don't mind me. I'm back. Okay. I forgot what I was doing. Skip to live. What was I doing? Oh yeah, why are my signs not letting me read them? Does this one work? Whoa, what the hell just happened? Oh, I hate that. I hate that if I go diagonally, I can just phase through walls. I'm definitely gonna have to fix that. I don't know how yet, but definitely gonna have to. Okay, that worked. Maybe the right punch just doesn't go far enough, which is annoying. It's an easy fix though. All you got to do is go to the styling. I think it's a map weapon. And then we gotta go to right. So 2.5 just isn't enough. Oh, it's probably the translate. Wait, which way? Is this left or right? Or this left or right? I'm guessing this is left and right. So maybe if I just doubled the size, that should probably do it. I mean, it won't be hard to test that, but I don't care right now. I will not test you yet. All right. Back to business. Our signs look good. I'm fired. We'll talk to the boss. Bop, 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 beep. All right. The boss is going to go to his office. I'm going to be like, what the hell was that about? And then I'm going to go follow him to his office. He's going to send me to his office. Well, he's not sending me there. I'm following him there. Do not disturb. No. Weird. I would voice focus mode on. What does that even mean? I don't even know what that means. Okay. So this is his office. He's got lots of extra rooms in his office. That's all set dressing. Okay, and then we want to talk to him. He's pacing nervously. Anxiously, maybe, not nervously. Let's talk. Okay. No. Yes. Got it. And he sends me to Thyrus. I'm like, oh no, I can't get through this door. Why not? Let's read the sign. Entry to research grid is restricted to employees of Thyrus. A valid. Obviously, I don't know how to spell. Let's fix that real quick. Not that any of this is going to stay the same, but I would prefer it to be semi-correct. Alright. A valid employee badge is required. Okay, and I have a mission right here. Collect ID badge. So, well, the only thing I can do is talk to this t-shirt. Hello, I'm a t-shirt. I need my badge. Sure, I'll give that to you now. Thanks. Oh, before that, I need to tell you that you have to go find your onboarder. She'll be in the research grid. Alrighty. And fail. Okay, let's see what happened. Next mission, dataset blockade. Okay. So, next mission L is not working. Meaning something's wrong with this. Next. Oh, good. I consoled it. So, what is that? Transport watermelon. No. Oh. Oh. What? I thought it was find onboarder. Where did transport watermelon come from? Boop. Oh. Collect ID badge. The next mission is transport watermelon. What? When did I do that? Huh. Huh. Okay. I don't get it. I don't remember doing that. Okay, well, let's fix it. Because that's weird. That it randomly changed. I wonder if it's wrong. Oh, it's not wrong. That's weird. Find onboarder. Why the hell did that change? Maybe it never changed. But why did find onboarder work? I don't know. Let's try again. Okay. So collect ID badge. Oh no, hold on. Let's check out what I got. Find onboarder. Cool. Cool. This should work now. That's so weird. Yes, blah blah. I need a badge. Give it to me. Thanks. Find your onboarder. Yes. Still failed. Why did it fail? Find onboarder. It's wrong. Why is it wrong? Find onboarder mission item. That should exist. That should be this. Find onboarder mission item. Yeah. So why is it null? Why, I ask you? Well, let's dig a little bit. Dig a little bit. How do I want more. Give me more. Okay. So we know that next mission is find onboarder. We know that this is correct. That is a thing. So that means I spelled this wrong. Next mission L. No, I didn't. This should definitely exist. Well, let's see. Let's see if I'm wrong. What? Next mission is not. Oh, well, duh. You gotta put that there too. We know for a fact the next mission is find onboarder. Did I spell? Oh, god damn it. I spelled border wrong. Skill issue. Hey! What's up, Dak Dude? What's going on, man? How you doing? I am just trying to run through the, do a little regression on what I've already done so far. And so far, skill issue. Okay. So go here. Can't get out. I know that. Sign works. Talk to him. Work. Still not working. What is going on? Failed to replace on DOM token list. Okay. God damn it. I thought I changed that to class name. Hold, please. Oh, it's right here. I did change it. Oh, man. I guess I didn't push up. Maybe I didn't compile it. Welp. Let's do that. Yeah, I did change that, though. Oh, shit. I changed the top one, not this one. Ah. Skill issue. I didn't get notified about your stream today. No, I didn't. I don't know why. I thought you were going to stream today. I didn't see it. Maybe it was my phone. How'd it go? You have a good one? Let's push this up so we can keep going. Pushing up the code to stage. Okay, that should be good. It was good. If you look at the stream schedule, it'll give you time. Oh, okay. Yeah, stream schedules are very much suggestions in my world. Sometimes I'm earlier, sometimes a little later. That's cool. Well, I'm glad you're sticking to it. It's good to be consistent. I know that helps grow followers when they know when they can talk to you. Alright. So, has the code pushed yet? Because if it has, then I can complete this mission. If it has not, I will get the same error. Pop, 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 pop. Pop. It pushed! Alright, fixed. Mondays and Sundays are your days off? Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, Sundays are my days off too, and Saturday. Just during the summer though. When the kids go back to school, I'll start streaming on Saturdays again and just take Sundays off. Okay, now we're out. And I triggered... Oh, there's the onboarder. Let's go say hi to her. Hey, I'm your onboarder. Bop, boop, boop. Okay, so she gives me set up your lab. So now what I need to do is I need to set up a mission trigger in this doorway with it, which is my lab. I should also put a sign there. So let's go ahead and set that up. Mission trigger. And we'll set that up for set up office. Hey Dak dude, we only have a day and 20 hours left for the giveaway deadline. Make sure you get your free stuff. Oh, good. It pushed. Alright, set up your lab. Okay. So that would be complete mission trigger. And where that gonna be? It's going to be... Hey, let's use this as a reference. Let's go 1,000. Too much. Pretty close. You're good. Parents don't know I have these kinds of accounts. Oh, okay. You don't want to get Amazon shipping stuff to your door from me randomly. That might be a little awkward. Hey, but they'll appreciate you reading more, right? Oh, parents like that. I like when my kids read. Alright. I think my kid's only a little younger than you too, actually. A few years. Alright. So 1424 by 1838. That's a good position. 1424. 1838. Did I remember those numbers right? Oops. Yes, but I got them backwards. Come on, dude. 1838. 1424. All right. And it's going to be, I guess, like, no, 40 wide. And the door is like, I don't know. It's definitely not 100 pixels, but we'll put it that big. Okay. So now this should be able to be completed if I run into that trigger. Cool. Yeah. I wonder if I put in the failsafe, like if you don't get the mission and I walk through this, if it already triggers it. I don't know if I did that. But we won't consider that right now. Hey, where's my mission? Probably should... I thought I already put that in here. If the parents completed... Okay, that's a problem. Yeah, if the parents... Yeah, here's the trigger. Oh, it needs to be bigger than 100. Let's do 150. Yeah, right. Yeah, if the mission trigger, I mean the mission should be there. Yeah, so it's here, but it doesn't have the engage class. It should, because the parent mission is complete. Do I have parent mission here? No. Alright, well let's fix that real quick. Gotta get this right. Okay, then that's an onload thing. Missions have its own thing. Okay, here. Okay. Oh god, I fought with this so hard last night. I'm not ready to fight with this again. But basically what's supposed to happen is classes. So this should be engage. If you're into horror, I'll be playing Dead by Daylight tomorrow with my friend. Oh, sweet. Dead by Daylight is what? Is that a PC game? I mean, I'm guessing it is, but that's not a Roblox game, right? It's probably a Roblox version. Okay, so parent mission. Incompleted mission. Oh yeah, I guess I could look it up. I am at a computer. Dead by Daylight. Oh. Oh, yes. I have seen other people play this game. I think it is the one that RDC Games plays. They're fucking hilarious. Yeah. Sweet. That'd be fun. Yeah, it looks fun. Oh, what was I doing? Okay. So I think the problem is that either completed missions is wrong or parent mission is wrong. Now I thought we nailed parent mission, which ends up being the mission name. Right. That breaks. Look good. Mission name is the mission with linked missions. So yeah, parent mission should be working. Okay, where's completed missions? Maybe that's the problem. Here's completed missions. Get it from user ID. Where's user ID coming from? Explore missions. Where am I using that? Explore missions. Here. Yeah, user ID is right here. Okay. You're considering going to an alternative learning program in the Netherlands. Oh, shit. Do it, man. You've been thinking about and praying about it. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing like getting a different perspective, you know? America is so in their own bubble. So when you get out of the country, and this is coming from someone who hasn't traveled that much, but it's it's so different. Like when I went to fucking, you know, even if you just go to like Mexico, and just how different it is. And you go to, I went to Fiji, and just the you know, the standards and the world and their views on different things like violence and it's crazy. It's just such a different experience, and I can imagine Netherlands is pretty similar, just like a way different perspective on the world, especially being so white, you know, country of white people. It's got to be a little different. Yeah, I'd do it though. If you have the chance, I mean, and your parents are cool with it, I mean, just take advantage while you're young to like get all that worldly experience. Just broaden your horizon, you know what I mean? Any chance you can go to another country before you get married and have kids, do it. Do it, because after, it's a lot harder. You got dogs and kids, you know, it's almost impossible. You gotta bring the kids, right? And they don't care. Then you're just paying to babysit in another country. Though we did promise to take my oldest to Japan before she turns 13, so that's coming up. That's gonna be fun. Fun for the bank. Yeah, I think you should do it. That's my opinion. So yeah, this is working fine. We have user ID. Completed mission should be good. Is array true, then that, otherwise empty. I guess there's only one completed mission. It should still be an array though. Maybe. Maybe it's not. Ask for donations so that your parents can afford foreign exchange. Yeah, that's smart. Do a GoFundMe. Send me to the Netherlands. Huh. An array. I don't know if that would just return one item. It should be an array every time, even if it's single. I guess I can check here. Let's check. Completed missions. Let's go back to local. Let's restart the game and only do one mission and see what it returns. This song? This is Poison. It's from the Has Been Hotel soundtrack. I was hired to do this version. It's like a metal version of it. It's on YouTube. You can go here. There you go. And you can listen to it as much as your heart wants. That's where I have the other metal cover on there too. My Heart Will Go On. Okay, so it's an empty array. Good. So far, so good. So now let's just do this mission over here, because I think it's easier. Okay. That wasn't a mission. Oh, it was a mission. Okay. It was just hidden already. Yeah, so if it's one, it's still an array. Okay. So technically, it should be one. Completed missions is good. Oh, but I did it backwards, I guess. Wait, which one has transport? Transport, whatever. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong site. Transport stuff. Transport stuff. That is next mission for collect badge. How do I collect badge? Is that? No, that's do something. I don't even know how to collect badge. Let's look it up real quick. Nope, wrong site. Mission. Collect badge. Oh, it's Boots of Magic. Right. Transport stuff. Okay. So let's see if we can replicate the bug. Which I think Boots of Magic is actually this now. Ah, crap. Gotta go? Alright, Duck Dude. Thanks for jumping on, man. Always a pleasure. I'll catch you in the next one. So help Zing. Let's change this to help Zing. How about that? That way I can test this. Here we go. Next mission is transport stuff now. Thank you for coming to my stream. And I will catch you in the next one, man. And I will definitely pay more attention and try to get to your streams. Okay. So we'll go new game. Let's give this a shot. So I'm going to trigger help Jing. And then... Oh, crap. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I set that up. It's like a trap. Okay, so let's drag this here. And so this will work. So now we have transport stuff. So when I refresh, transport stuff should not be there if the bug is happening on local. Shit. It's working. I don't like that. Why is it working? Why is it working here? Is it because I only have... Welp. That's weird. Hold on. Does that mean that the other one didn't get completed? Shoot. That could mean that we're having some issues with the mission complete. Alright, let's restart and try again. Ugh. I really wish I could just skip the levels straight to Thyrus. I should probably come up with that. Like a way of just overriding areas. Just for development's sake, because eventually I'm going to be like 10 levels in and I'm not going to want to go through the entire game every time. So maybe when I do new game, I can click like the area to go to. Though, it might like require me to complete the game to get there. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright. Alright, transport, Alright, get me to Thyrus. We're here. Okay, let's trigger this. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, so that's a completed mission. Did that work? Shit, I should have had this open. Coordinates, add something. Collect badge, 50 points. Okay. Correct. That worked. So this should now be in the database. And let's trigger the thingy. And now find onboarder should work. After I talk to her. Yes. No. Okay. Ah, god damn it. Have I still not given that mission points? Alright, well at least it was a user error. And not a code error. Here. You deserve points. Let's give you 60 points, not 600. I need to get rid of these freaking var dumps. Okay, now you are completed. Hey, good to know missions break when they don't have points. Though it would be fine if they just were 0, right? What if I don't want to give you points? I guess I have to give you 1 point. Restart. We got this. Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna beat you. Haha. Oh crap. He didn't go away. Alright. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, come on. Recharge quicker. It's the quickest way to get around is by transporting. I'm getting pretty good at it too. Okay. Complete. Bop, 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 bop. Now. This should work now. We're walking. Oh gosh, she's running into me. Boom. Okay. Work. It worked. Okay. So now... Well, hold on. I want to refresh and just double check it worked. So now setup lab should be the only one. And I'm going to actually remove those. Shit. It didn't work. What? How did you not work? That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. It still required me to... What the hell? Why is that not working? It's definitely a completed mission, right? Missions. Set up your lab. It's the only one there. That means it has to be completed. It's still not getting the engage class, though. I gotta var dump this stuff. I need to know what's going on. I mean, it could still be user error, but... What is the error? Data points. Okay, well this one doesn't have points either. I don't think that has an effect, but let's make sure we have points. And I set up a mission complete. Levels are... We'll give you... whatever. 20 points. Yeah. So 20 points. Let's see. I still don't think that's a problem, but yeah, see. It's just not giving it the engage class, even though the parent mission is completed. We know it's completed because it's not showing up. There has to be some other reason this isn't working. And I was going to set up a blockade, but I don't think I want to do that anymore. I don't really see the point of blocking you in your office. Still a good functionality to create a blockade after completing a mission, if the next mission has a blockade, but yeah, not right now. Okay, why don't you have the engage class? That is the... Because obviously locally it's working fine. So we're going to need to know two things. We're going to need to know what this is. Nope, what this is. First off, if parent mission is in completed missions array, engage. Otherwise, nothing. Okay, so I'm getting nothing. So let's do this. We're going to var dump these things. And I'm going to push that code up because I want to know what we're getting. And then, just for shits and giggles, let's do the strike through. Wait, how am I doing strike through? Line through. Let's also set a timeout and remove it. Set timeout. And that's going to be, I don't know, after half a second. We'll make it quick. The mission, remove. Cool. Right. Okay, and let's push this up, and then we'll check the output, the var dump, so I can see what's going on with those completed missions. And why it is not working. Go. Push. All right. YouTube Shorts feed live viewing is it's been pretty busy today. We got 5 people on there right now. Hi. I'm Scott V. Adrian, WordPress programmer and sci-fi author. In case you're wondering, I'm making a WordPress video game. WordPress is a CMS that is not made for video games. It's a blog engine, and I'm trying to make it into a game engine, which so far pretty successful. It's got a very RPG-like feeling. Oh, I lost everybody. They didn't like when I was talking to them. You know, if I can just get one person every day from this YouTube Shorts live feed, you know, because they just kind of come in and out, because it's just people scrolling through YouTube Shorts. Yeah, just get one of those people, and then I'll feel accomplished. All right. Here we go. var dumps are in place. All right, so this is interesting. This is interesting because it looks like false and then array. What the hell? Why am I getting 3 things? I'm getting array and then array. And these are no, they're the same. So that means completed missions is getting run twice, first off. Why is that happening? Wait, what? Where did I do it? var dumps right here. Is that in a for each? Oh, it is. Correct, yeah. Never mind. So, wait, the first var dump is parent mission. Is this parent mission? Missions, mission content. That makes no sense. So parent mission is collect ID, find onboarder. No, that's not right. Find onboarder is twice, which is not good. But then I'm getting false somewhere. Wait, where did the false go? Oh, it's here in the mission list. False. I'm guessing that means parent mission is false. This makes me think. Okay, well, should be happening twice though. Yeah, this is confusing AF. Well, I know why it's not working. It's because of these outputs are. I should have logged this better. So let's do this. var dump. So first off, this is parent mission. Right. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. And then let's make sure I know that this is completed. mission. Dot, dot, dot. Pop, pop, pop. And then I want to see what parent mission is up here as well, because that's confusing. And I mean, I guess it's the same thing. Alright, forget it. Just seems wrong. It could be user error again, but I think I'll do this again and then restart the game. Because obviously there is something wrong. And I'm not having the same issue on local, obviously, but I mean, local is a mess. It's not the same. That's why I have the staging site. It's like a fresh, like the real version of the game. So like if I have a bunch of old settings that are masking an issue, you know, I'll see those issues like this in stage. Alright. Yeah, because right now, if I look at this, we've got, yeah. So first off, parent mission. Wait, did I put the label after? No, I put it before. How the hell are we getting a var dump before? This is not going in order. Do I have var dumps anywhere in the fucking thing? Oh, drag destination. Let's go to that. That wouldn't be anything to do with this. Oh, I do. I have a completed missions up here. That's why. Go. I do not want you. Alright. That's probably why it's confusing, because I have that extra completed missions. Okay, so parent missions are this. Do something. Completed missions are this. Do something. And help Zing. That is correct. That is what I would expect to see. So let's push this new version up. And getting rid of some of that meta box logging, which was kind of annoying. Come on, meta boxes are everywhere. Alright. Push you up. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna refresh just to see what it looks like right now with the extra labels, knowing that the first one is wrong. Oh, okay. So yeah, parent mission, false. Completed mission, array. Good. Bad, but good. I don't like that it has find onboarder twice. Because you shouldn't be able to complete a mission twice. And I thought I already had logic for that. But apparently I was wrong. So let's actually make sure we don't allow that. So that would be here. Save mission. Save mission. We need to check explore missions. So if false, zero empty, then pop, pop, pop. Otherwise, pop. And this is not good. Why is this happening? Hold on. Okay, so if it's not empty, just add it. Yeah, but I also need to check if it exists, so boop, 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 and true equal, false equals is set. Oh, no. And for anybody wondering, oh, no one's here. I was gonna say this is PHP. Okay. So the mission does not exist. Yes. Or maybe I should, yeah, do an array. They were right. I was wrong. An array. The IDE knew. Correct. Correct. Yeah. Alright, let's push this up. Well, whatever. Let's just restart. And we won't do the mission twice. New game. Maybe... I don't think that was the issue, because it was happening before I completed the mission again. But it's definitely not helping now. Yeah, okay. Why is it not var dumping? Huh, that's weird. I guess because there's no missions. Oh, because there's no missions in this area. Oh, I beat you. Oh, he pushed me in the door. Come on, buddy. Okay. Still no missions. Let's go. Take me to Thyrus, my friend. Alright. Well, we just learned something valuable. That... Oh no, this is working. Okay. So parent mission, false. Completed missions, none. Parent mission, true. There is a parent mission. Completed mission, nothing. Parent mission, false. Completed mission, bam. Okay. So there's only one with a parent mission. And that is collect ID. Because... Well, no. Setup mission should also... I mean, setup lab should have a parent mission. Find onboarder. Huh. Maybe that's the problem. Find onboarder. Set up your lab. It is a next mission. But it's not showing up. What the hell? What the hell? Find onboarder. And find onboarder should do setup. What the hell? Set up your lab. Hold up. Something screwy's happening here. Find onboarder. Did this all get reset? Yeah, what the hell? Set up lab? Is that what it was? Set up. Just why was it showing set up lab then? Set up your lab. Set up your lab. Okay. Let's just refresh right here and this should work. Okay, so now we should have another one with a parent mission. Find onboarder, yes. Collect ID badge, yes. Okay. So let's do that. Let's get our ID badge. Okay. So now that's good. And now we have find onboarder. So let's go do that. And now this should trigger. Bop, 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 bop. Great. So set up your lab is right there. Now I'm going to refresh and set up your lab should still be there. Now that I've refreshed. It is. Okay, good. We fixed it. Oh, that's weird. So I guess find onboarder didn't have set up your mission as the next mission, even though it was triggering. Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I was doing that. That's really weird. But now these are getting really annoying. Oh, wait. Did the not doing the same mission twice work? I think it did. Because it didn't do anything. Did it try? No, I don't think it did. Okay. Alright. So now this has a door. When I go through this door, it's going to trigger set up your lab. Correct. So that worked. Right? Yes. It has points. It worked. And now that's going to trigger 4 new missions, which I have the capability of doing now. So let's actually, you know what? I'll keep the var dumps there just in case this goes wrong. But let's set up the 4 new missions, or we'll do 3. I don't need to do that many. That'll take forever. So this is, what's it called when you move furniture to a place? You want it to be organized? No, because that's more of a general term. I need it to just be like move computer. It's gotta be short. Move your computer. Set up your computer. Arrange. Again, that's kind of general. Somebody on YouTube Shorts, give me a better term. How do I do this? It's for arranging furniture in a room, but like one by one. So like move desk into place. It's kind of long. Is there like a better way of saying it? Move into place. Move desk into place. I guess that's not that bad. Move your desk to the designated spot that you chose in your head. Even though you didn't. But I made you do it. Okay, so Thyrus is the area it's going to show up in. And then we have this. We have, oh no, drag destination. Oh, that's, I gotta make an item for that. Right. Right? How do we do that? Thyrus. Oh, I think I just used the name. That's how I do it. Alright. Boom. Move desk into place. And then let's do another one. And this will be move cabinet into place. Cabinet into place. And this is move your filing cabinets to the designated spot that you chose in your head. Kinda. Alright. Give me an area. Thank you. Perfect. Publish. And then we'll do one more. We'll do move your computers into place. Or your computer. No. Your desk probably has your computer on it. So maybe move your... I don't know. I'll say computer, whatever. Move computer into place. Alright. Move your computer rigs to the door. Alright, and this will also be in Thyrus. Cool. So we have these 3 missions. Let's go to explore points. Let's make some items to put in your office. So I think what I want to do, let's create Graham desk, and we will make this draggable destination. And okay, so what's his desk gonna look like? His desk is going to be, I don't know. Maybe I should just grab a picture of a desk and stop messing around. Pixel art desk. How about This is kind of the right angle. All right. Cool. Another one. Upload. Oh, it's a GIF. Perfect. I wonder if it moves. Alright. And now the draggable destination is going to be in here somewhere. We'll put it like, I guess I kind of like where this is, the watermelon, which is a pop socket. So that's 992, 2044. Wait, which one's which? I always do that. 992 is left. 992. I kind of want to do this at 1,000. Okay. And what was 2044? Cool. Height. It's going to be this way, so we want it to be a little bit longer. So we'll put it at... Oh, I didn't even define the height and position of this yet. That's fine. So height's going to be, I don't know, 200. Make it 50. Make it really skinny and long. Maybe. Something like that. Image I need to create. And the mission it completes is move desk into place. And let's set this up. So the starting position, I think I'll just put it randomly in the corner or down here. So starting position can be like down here. Hopefully not through a wall. And that'll be like sort of 2272. That was a 2272. And 1338. Okay. Same height. It's going to be 200 by 50. And you're going to get a whopping 30 points. Alright, first one's set up. We just need the desk image now. And this is just basically, you know, the little outline that you're going to use in order to put it in its destination. And I'll make it really quick. So let's go ahead and grab the GIF. We'll use our handy dandy outline thingy. Oh, looks like I can't do that. I need to turn this into... How do I rasterize you? Is it edit? Rasterize? I need to rasterize you. That's weird. Usually you can rasterize these on the fly. I'm doing something wrong, obviously. Unlock. Rasterize. Let me rasterize you. I haven't had to do that in this new Photoshop. Automate? No. Scripts. Flatten. No. That's weird. I think it's actually in edit, but it must not let me do it. Interesting. Well, that's fine. I'm pretty good at just doing this. Well, I just want to make a, you know, an outline of it. So I'll just do that real quick. This is all temporary, so I don't want to go too crazy. But Photoshop was my life for 7 years-ish as a high volume photo retoucher, so this isn't that big of a deal. Though it's not letting me do anything still. I want to do something. I wanted to do a stroke, but I guess it's just gonna force me to do convert image RGB mode. Oh, is it because I'm not in RGB mode? How'd that happen? Ooh. Come on, buddy. RGB mode. How the hell do you do that? Properties, 8 channel, index color, RGB. No, I did not mean to open you. God damn it. Force quit. Okay. Stop. Okay, remove background. There we go. That's a buddy. I can actually do something now. Alright, now let's turn this black. Actually, let's just get this. And then let's do this. And then let's do blending options. Let's do stroke. We'll do like gray. And let's do... Wait, can't I do dotted? Or not what I meant to do. Normal. Thought I could make these into dots. I guess not. Alright. We'll do like that. Now, can I... What am I doing? Hold on. This isn't what I wanted to do. I wanted to do stroke. God, I haven't actually done this in a while. Here we go, stroke. Let's do 4. Let's do that. And no blending mode. There we go. That's what I wanted. Jesus. That was difficult. Let's just make this super small, super simp, and we'll do desk outline. Okay, back to you. So now let's go to the media library and upload it and get the URL for that. This should be good. Okay, we got that URL. We got there. Alright, this should be good. Let's see what it looks like. Just to see. Oh wait, did I not put the first spot? Oh, I did. Well, so far not good. Where'd you go? Wait, did I set those items to Foresight? I mean Thyrus? I did not. Smart. Alright, let's try that again. And go. There we go. That's a bud. Though I definitely got the the size wrong. Let's make it a little bit wider. How do I do that? Okay. So, width. Definitely need this to be... Looks pretty wide. Gauges aren't an identity. Wait, WordPress like the CMS? Yes. Correct. That is correct. You are both correct, actually. Gauges are not an identity. That's why I stopped being a professional piercer. Because that's all they were, was an identity. 200, but yes, this is WordPress. I'm a WordPress programmer. Yeah, you got yourself? Yeah, no, you're not wrong. It's a nightmare, man. Building this entire game. Because you got to build a game engine, you know? Because it doesn't exist. And that's the problem I've been having. Every time I need something, I have to fucking build it. Which has been fun. Oh, maybe it's just a square. So 200 by 200. Alright. That should look better. Starting position needs to be higher as well. And I'll definitely make this easier to like build on eventually, but right now it's just pretty difficult. Especially because everything's just like, there we go, for the first time. Okay, so we have the desk, which is in a wall. And we can now drag it. You know, actually, let me get rid of this damn watermelon, because it is no longer needed. And that'll make things easier for me. Okay. So all I have to do is arrange this desk in its drag destination, which would be better if it didn't have a background. And it completed the mission. Okay. Good. The minigame is coming together. Now I need 2 more pieces the same way. And yeah. Should be good. And I was going to get rid of the drag destination after I complete the mission, but if it's part of the background setting, like it's a button or something, I don't want to get rid of it. Yeah, maybe having a white background is not a bad idea. The illusion's not there, but... Cool. So that's working. All I need to do is really change the and I don't think I need... Yeah, because now we have this... Oh, and look, it removed the mission too, like I wanted it to. So now we just have computer and cabinet left. Awesome. And let's see, does that go away? Yep. Now we just have these two. And the completed mission now includes move desk into place. Woo! Okay, I can get rid of those var dumps now. They're getting in my way. Which is actually in here. Doom, 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 boom. You are working. Thank you. That was a nightmare to get going. Okay. And we'll push that up. Yeah, and I'm building the game, you know, all the functionality I'm building locally, but I'm pushing everything up to the stage side to actually build the levels out. Because my local's a mess and I don't want to build it twice. But yeah, using WordPress for all the asset management, images, data, all that kind of stuff. And then the front end's just all vanilla JavaScript and styling. You got to, you know, move around, punch things, move things, collision points. It's all math. Alright, so this starting position is wrong, and I don't like the ending position either now. Though, this is obviously going to change when I have real assets, so I don't want to go too crazy into the detail. I also think I want it smaller. I mean, I think the scale works for my character. I don't know, maybe I won't make it smaller then. Wait, oh, I got pushed out of a wall. How the hell did that happen? Yes, I did also notice that I can phase through walls if I go diagonally. Is it going to tie into your books? Yep. Correct, Game Duel. This is all part of the books. So, you know, like, Miropelia is the second book, but, Orbem, the first book, do I have a picture of it? That's a picture of me as Orbem, but in the shop. So Orbem, right here. It starts out, you're on Earth, you lose your job, and that's what you see when you start playing the game here. And you talk to the CEO of the company, and they end up sending you to a secret research facility in Scotland, and that's where I am right now. And you do the same thing. You talk to the receptionist, you meet your onboarder, who's the owner right here, this chick, and she becomes one of the scientists that goes to Orbem with you. And then you set up your lab. So all this is kind of like word for word, step by step, what happens in the book. And I'm just kind of converting it into little mini games and stuff like that to continue the story. And then, yeah, once you get to Orbem, it's going to get a lot different. Because that's the fantasy universe, you know. It's going to be a lot more stuff to do. This is the Earth portion, which is only the first 5 chapters of the book. Spoiler alert. And yeah, so let's make it a little bit smaller. We'll do like 180, 180. Just so it's easier to move around. And then the destination, I kind of want to move left more. It's just too far to the right. So we'll do like maybe 850. And the top is pretty good, actually. I'll leave that there. Yeah, but definitely need to change where the desk is. Which is, I gotta move that over too. To the left. So we'll go a couple hundred to the left. Am I too far to the top? Okay. I can go down a little bit too. Alright, this should be a good position now. And those var dumps should go away. Awesome. Var dumps are gone. Oh no, but now all the missions are back. How the hell did that happen? I do not know. That should not have happened. Wait, why were all these here? Oh, it's because I finished setup. Okay, let's restart the game. And I'll walk you through Orbem, the first 3 chapters of it. Because that's what this first really short part is. Alright, reset. So I'm in my office at Foresight. And you run into this botanist here. Oh good, I fixed the sign reading functionality. She walks up to you. Oh, she walks by you. And I lost my job, so my name is scratched out on my sign. Damn it. And he wants to talk to you in his office all secretly. And so you gotta follow him to his office. And then this will transition you to his office. So now I'm in the CEO's office. And then he's kind of looking weird and freaked out and anxious. And you go to talk to him. He wants to talk to you, tells you about, you know, going to Thyrus. And then now we'll go to Thyrus. And this is the secret facility. And then you're here. This is the reception office. You don't know what you're doing. Okay, cool. Tells me to go to the research grid. You need a badge. I also... Oh, see, this is what I was talking about. These should not be here. So, oh, I'm dumb. I never added those as the next mission. That's why. Let's do that real quick. Just so we can show that that's working. Okay, set up your lab. Now that we have the ability, it's going to be move desk into place, move cabinet into place, move computer into place. Cool. That is the next mission. So now when I refresh, those three should go away. And they do. Okay. So now we'll talk to him. Cool. Good. Mission went away after it got completed. Next mission is find onboarder. And you kind of just are like, where am I going to go? And then she comes out of nowhere because you triggered her walking scene. Okay, alright. She must be the onboarder. And then a doop dop doo doo doop bop. Set up your lab. Cool. That worked. She's kind of in my way. I should move her to the right more or something. I just wanted to force you to run into her. And you'll find your office. Hey, look. There's my desk with all my junk on it. And then when you go to your office... So maybe I should change the mission name to Find Your Office. And then it'll trigger these and you have to move all these into place. It worked though. All three of them showed up. Perfect. So here's my desk. Here's where I gotta move it to. So now I can pick it up because I'm super strong. I think I moved the desk too far to the left, but I think it's fine. And then let's just double check. If I move it here, does nothing. But if I move it, whoa, I could push it. That was weird. Uh-oh. We're screwing something up. Okay. Go here. Perfect. It's all making sense now, right? Desk. The desk is in place. Which technically I can still be like, nah, I don't like it there. I want my desk over here. Your choice. Slippery table. Exactly. Oh, man. Okay. And then... Cool. Now we can set up the other two missions. And I want to make sure I'm not getting in the way of this one. Oh no, they're not missions. I need items. Explore points. And yeah. I think I might call it a night. This is all kind of grunt work. Yo. How's it going, Alex Martinez? WSP. How come I've seen that twice now? What is that? What's going on? What are you doing? What's WSP? Somebody enlighten me. Oh yeah? Subscriber? Pfft, I like to hear it, Alex. Well, just for you, I'm gonna continue building more. So let's add another explore point, which is going to be grain cabinet. And what we're going to do here is see, we'll put the cabinet position over on this wall up here, which is kind of like, let's see if I can nail it with my position. More or less that. So 1769. Here we go. We'll put you in Thyrus. And we'll do 1769. And what is 823? Okay, that'll get me close. And then let's find a quick pixel art cabinet just to use as a filler. Maybe we should do pixel art metal cabinet. Yeah, sure. Do like a filing cabinet. That works. Save image. Oh, this is kind of big. Yeah, let's fix this one a little bit. Oh good, it's a JPEG. I don't know why I had such issues with the GIF. Alright, and let's not make this so large-o. Cool. And we'll export this real quick. Yeah, we'll just save it as the same. And then we need the outline of this, so we're gonna go that. We're gonna go to edit. We're gonna go to stroke. We're gonna do same thing I did with the other one. Wait, what? What did I just do? Didn't I just stroke? I did, right? Oh, I need to do it here. Idiot. One more time. Stroke. Stroke. Stop. Oh, probably need to go a little thicker actually. Or let's do like 10. Stroke. Stroke. It won't let me. Oh, do it here. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. Stroke again. Let's do like 40. Is that too much? Yeah, I think that's too much. Let's do 25. Yeah, that's good enough. You have been outlined. Alright, let's export this one. Cabinet outline. Alright, now we have what we need. Let's go back here. We have Graham cabinet. And this is going to be, I don't know. Let's do 200 by, or let's try to keep maybe similar 180 by width is 70. We'll do something like that. Okay, and this will also give you 30 points. It is draggable. Drag destination is going to be, where do we want this to go? Oh, we don't want the starting point at the wall. We want the drag destination at the wall. So let's do that. Let's steal this. And steal the height and width. And the width is, what do I do? 70? Correct. And now let's add some images. So, cabinet. Wait, what is the cabinet? It's 613 by 9. Yeah, whatever. I'll just have to update it on the fly. And then let's get the media library. Y'all. We'll upload the outline. And put that here. Nope. put that here. There we go. And the mission to complete is move cabinet into place. All right. Looking good. Now we're probably gonna have to move this around, but let's publish it and see what it does. We should at least have the mission now, because the parent mission, or not the mission, we should have the items. We already have the mission right here. All right. Looks good. I did not fix this. Okay, so let's change the height to what it needs to be. I mean the width. I guess, what, 100? No. Oh. 113. Cool. We'll fix that. 113. Awesome. 113. Great. And let's move the draggable destination. I think, yeah, I'll just move that over to the right, actually. So we'll go, what, 1300? And let's move this down a bit to like 2000. Starting point. All right. So now, oh, I moved that way too far down. I moved that way too far to the right. Whew. Draggable destination is way too far right. Let's do something more like that, maybe. Or maybe 1150. And then this one just went way too far down. Here we go. Ah, yeah. There we go. So let's see if this works. Let's move you into place. And let's see if it triggers a completion. Yay! Cabinet's good. And I definitely need to save their current positions. Draggable items, if you drop them, I want to resave their starting positions. So we should actually probably do that. And that should be pretty simple. It's just explore top left. That's the only thing I need to mess with. So, but I'm gonna need to create a new rest point for that. And that's something I can do locally real quick. Love if I say real quick. Nothing's ever real quick. Alright. So I want to move this to there. And I want it to stay there. So how do I do that? We need a rest route. It'll be sort of like this. User ID. Oh, shoot. Right. This needs to override. I don't want to actually change the post meta. This needs to override the post meta. So it's going to be saved to the user ID. Okay. So I'll need to actually pass user ID and a couple of things. Yeah, let's steal this one. This will probably be better. So save draggable drop position. So every time you drop a draggable item, we'll shoot off a call to the database so it stays there. So this is gonna be save drag. I like it. And we'll do item ID will be top, amount will be left, and user ID will be user ID. And this should be good. And we'll do save drag. Okay, we'll kind of steal this one. Might as well. Should be pretty simple. And then we'll do save drag. Callback function for rush route. That saves draggable items, positions when dropped. Cool. So we got user, I think user ID, right? Yeah, user ID. User ID. And then we'll do top. Peep pop, tip top. 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 And we'll do left. Left. And left. Great. That's all we need. And let's make sure these are in there. Top, left. Okay, make sure none of those are empty. We'll get the current user. Oh wait, no. We need explore. So this is going to be saved as an array. So explore drag items. Okay. And basically it's going to be the slug and the top and left position. So if that slug exists in this array, then position the item on the map using the override. So pop, 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 pop. Let's do current explore drag. Explore drags. I guess I don't need to do it like that. Yeah, I guess we can get rid of all this. Okay. And this is going to be explore drag items. So if false equals empty, current drag items, then we'll add to this. Right. That's how I've been doing all this junk. Okay, yeah. And it's going to be, oh, shoot. I got to pass the slug too. Yes. And this is wrong. This should also be like this. Left is also going to be a num. And then this can be slug. 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 Great. So, we'll pass the slug here. We'll check in array, current drag, slug. No, because the value of the array is going to be more. So I need to actually just check if this is set, I think. Yeah. Great. So if this is empty, no. If this is not empty, and this is false. Guess I can simplify this. If this is false, that means it doesn't exist. I think that's all I actually care about. Then we'll add it like this. Slug. Give me top equals top. Left equals left. Right. I guess I should do it like this. So I guess it doesn't matter if it exists, huh? I guess not. I'm just gonna overwrite it, which is what I want. The only thing I need to know is if this is empty or not. So I can go back to what I had before. Yeah, if it's empty, then do this. Otherwise I need to... do I even care if it's empty? I guess I don't. Well, I definitely don't want to add multiple of the same. I think that's what was happening before. But that can't happen if I'm using the slug this way. Alright, I'm gonna leave it. This kinda isn't dependent. Oh, well, let's do new. Maybe. No. Because this could end up being like false. And if that's the case, then this will screw up because you can't make false into an array. So we basically just need to check if this is empty. So if false equals empty, then do this. Else, we'll create it. This equals, you know, slug. Yeah, like that. No, like this. I don't want to do this because I don't want to make this an array like that. Or do I? I guess I do. Yeah, let's just do it like that. And boop. And dupe. Okay. That's fine. That's the starter. And then we'll just update. Current drag. Current drag items. Great. Okay. This is all good to go. I just need to add slug to the rest route. Which will be like this. And we'll do it slug first. How about that? Great. Alright. So now that we have the rest route ready to go, we can use it like this. And where are we using this? Every time you let go. Okay, so we have the draggable crap. Where's the drag? This it? Nope. Block movement? Nope. Yes. Okay. So this is the whole thing. So we need to save. I think every time you let go, just save the current position. I don't see why not. Save position of item. Right? Okay, so this is going to be save drag. Wait, what did I call it? Save dash drag. Alright. Okay. And it's going to be the slug, which is drag me item, right? I think it's the drag me item, right? Clean class, maybe? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's it. Okay, so that's the slug. And then we need the top position, which is the wherever I dropped you. Oh, this only happens if it's completed. Yeah, I want it to happen regardless. So let's put it here. And that is going to be... Boop. Shoot. I guess this... Drag... No, it's drag dust. I need drag item. So I need this. What did I put first? I put top left. Got it. So we got that. And then left. Oops. Okay. Perfect. Great. Okay. I think this is gonna work. Seems right. Pop, save drag. Alright, cool. Let's give it a shot. And then I'll leave. Good to finish one more thing before I head out. Come on. Now I'm not obviously applying the position, so it won't work right now, but I can at least see if it's saving properly or not. Yeah, okay, here we go. So we're just going to pick it up and just drop it randomly. We'll wait for coordinates to stop. Okay. When I let go of this, it should work. Drag item. Save drag. Hey, it looked like it worked. We have the current position right here. Hell yeah, man. First try. And let's see if it worked. I actually want to apply it now. So, what is it? I gotta see what the database looks like, to be honest. Let's just double check. Because I saved it to a new user meta item. Should be easy to see. Explore, drag items. We have an array with one. I don't know what that is. And it's got... Oh, it didn't save the fucking slug. Weird. Let's save the positions correctly, though. Yeah. Almost worked. I just kind of screwed up the slug part. Slug came out as... Oh, I spelled slug wrong. I would consider that a fail of writing proportion. Let's delete this whole thing so we can see it fresh. Alright, one more time. Just make sure it's saving properly. A doop a doop a doop a doop a doop. And we'll save it here. Why not? Do two things at once. Yep. Nope, that's coordinates. That's coordinates. Okay, here we go. There we go. Let's check the database again. Isn't there a refresh button? No. Okay, Boots of Magic. Top. Left. Perfect. The only thing better would be if I moved it again and it didn't add a duplicate array value and it just updated the top and left. That would be worthy of leaving. Here we go. Okay. Still 200. Moment of truth. Are there two Boots of Magic? That's huge. That never works first try. think I finally learned something. Jesus Christ. Okay, cool. So we know that we have access to that now based off of the slug. So it's as easy as, what is it? Map items? It should be as easy as looking for draggable. Correct. And checking. Here we go. No, this is for enemy. Wait, what? Is this only for enemy? If enemy. Wait, what? No. Oh. Or. Okay, got it. Okay, so we have left, top. I need to hijack those. If it's draggable. Hijack, top, left, if draggable, and has save drag values. So if draggable equals true, let's go ahead and get current drag. Let's get user meta. Oh, do I have current user ID already saved somewhere? Do I? Yes, user ID. And this is explore drag items. Is that what I said? Sounds right. Current drag. Then let's check the slug of the current point. Is set current drag. Good job. You knew what I was gonna do, IDE. Then top equals correct. Almost completely correct. And left equals that. You would only love to stick around, but it's 10:26 and it's right. And no problem, Alex. I'll see you in the next one, man. Don't worry about it. It's 1:30 a.m. for me, so I'm with you. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in a future one. And thanks for subscribing. Alright. I think this is it. This should work. So technically, this should stay here. I think it worked. It's a little close to the starting position, so I'm going to try over here. So if I do that, and I leave, and I refresh, boom. Draggable positions are saving now, and they're working. Hey, that'll be really good to have on the missions too. I mean, this is all predicated on the fact that you, for some reason, refresh the page, but I have a feeling people will not be finishing the game in one go. It'll be good to have. All right, that's exciting. So yeah, if I finish the mission, right, and then I decide to go away and come back and see, okay, good, the mission is already complete. That's massive. All right. With that success, I will bid you all a farewell. Thanks for everybody that has jumped in and out of the stream tonight. Really appreciate you, checking it out, even if you're just a little interested. And yep, don't forget about the giveaway deadline. There's 1 day, 18 hours, and 29 minutes left for you to get free Orbem stuff. You get Orbem and Miropelia paperbacks for free. You get 1 item from the merch shop for free. And that's all just for signing up for my newsletter or following me on Twitch. And I think it's worth it. There's 5 winners. So, I mean, so far there's not a lot of entries. So, I mean, everybody who enters could win. So, yeah. Appreciate everything that you guys do for me, feedback wise, and I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. So yeah, shorts every day, streams every day except for the Saturday and Sunday. Those are my summer hours. I keep the weekends free during summer, and yeah, 11 to 1 usually, but today it was 11:30 to 1:30. So I will get some sleep. And I hope you all have an amazing day, night, evening, whatever time it is for you in your side of the world. Yeah, catch you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.